Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix failed load Onlinefix64.dynamic line library on Windows. So first thing to do, you can try to restore your Onlinefix64. Maybe the Windows Defender or antivirus read this type of file as a thread. So you can open your Windows Defender and try to restore it from the quarantine. So if you can check the thread remove or restore area for the Online64. Next, you can try to recover. You use this is us and disable your antivirus. You can try to prevent the Onlinefix.dll file. The antivirus can prevent this type of file. Now you can try temporarily deactivating it. You can consider to deactivate your antivirus first. Then you can reinstall. You can try to reinstall software or games. Maybe there are some corruption or regular issue. And then you can manually file replacement. You can search on DLL.me. So you can download the Onlinefix64.dll file and put it on the folder of your system. So the last is you can try to run system file checker. You can run command prompt and then type sfc #scan now. Wait the process, and this command prompt or command line will fix the corrupted file on your system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.